Hey my friends, today I will show you how to make an emotional future bass drop like Illenium.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Here is a sneak peek of the result. Alright, let's get right into it. Let me grab a serum lead. I like this one. I'm gonna write a melody with it. Yes. I like where this is going. Let me add a variation here. Nice. Now we need some more layers. Dope. I sent all layers to bus channel and added a low and high cut, some more EQing, DST by Matt Nash, fresh air for more brightness, and reverb. Awesome. Let's add some chords. As always, I start with the bass notes. Nice. Let's add some harmonies. Ouch. I want to add one more note at the top to make the chords more unique and emotional. Sick. We need to add some layers. Yeah, that sounds really nice and fat. I also sent these to a bus channel where I added a low and high cut, more EQing, a stereo enhancer to make them a little wider, and reverb. Great. We also need some bass. For the sub I want to use an 808. My gosh, these all sound so good. I'm gonna stick to this one. Don't forget to add a mid bass to make your bass sound full and energetic. I like this one a lot. I'm gonna layer it with one more synth. Yes, this is great. Don't forget to low cut your mid bass to make room for your sub bass. Actually, there's one note in the chord progression I don't like. Let me fix this real quick. Awesome. Now let me add some ambient sounds. These sounds are very important because they make your drop more emotional and full. Alright, let's add some drums. I love this kick. Let me come up with a cool rhythm. Hold up, I'm gonna add a snare first to have a better feeling for the rhythm. Yes, this is great. I hope my neighbors like it too. I'm gonna add a second snare and a reverse effects sound. Yes. For the second half of the drop we need some claps. Nice. We also need a hi-hat. Yes, this is a nice groove. One tip here that a lot of hip-hop producers do is play around with the pitch of your hi-hat to make your drums more interesting. Dope. Let me add an open hat as well. I'm gonna add some reverb because it feels a bit short, but I like its tone. Nice. Let me add a shaker too. I really like this drum loop. Let me try to chop it up a little. Great. All these little sounds are gonna make your drums more interesting and groovy. We also need some crash sounds. Let me add some delay here for more ear candy. Nice. I'm also gonna add a downlifter to add some extra energy to the drop. And another one. This one is more sustained and has more high end, which will also help to make the drop sound fuller. Alright, we still need to add sidechain to the synths. Let me show you a trick. First I make a ghost kick by cloning the actual kick. This one will only be used to trigger the sidechain and it's not audible in the mix. This gives us more control over the sidechain. Send your ghost kick to free mixer channel and add the peak controller. Set the bass knob to 20%. Now go to the sound you wanna sidechain. I'm gonna start with the legs. I open up the fruity balance here. Right click on the volume knob and choose peak controller peak from the ghost kick. Set the curve to inverted. Hold up, I have to unmute the ghost kick in the playlist and then I'm gonna unlink it from the master. There we go. Let me move all of this so we have some more space here because I will also add a build-up later. I'm gonna shift the ghost kick just slightly to the left, else the sidechain comes in a few milliseconds too late. Now we can change the curve of the ghost kick to make the sidechain smoother without messing up the actual kick. You can go back into the peak controller on the ghost kick to fine-tune the sidechain. Additionally, you can also adjust the mix knob of the fruity balance to make it less intense. Now you repeat this process on your bass and chords, etc. Let me add the build-up now. For that we need an impact. Then we need some build-up drums. Also add some uplifter. Great. I'm also gonna copy and paste the LEDs, chords and ambient sounds to the build-up. Let me add a low pass filter and a volume automation to these. Yes, that's amazing. Guys, no future bass song is complete without a vocal, so I asked my good friend Sevman if I can use the vocals from his new song called For a Lifetime. He said yes, but he told me he's gonna kick my butt if you guys don't leave a like and comment on this video. I hope I can count on you all. Before we check out the result, I wanted to let you know that I have released a brand new future bass sample pack called EXDUS. All the samples and presets that I have used in this video are included in the pack, but not only that, EXDUS comes with 150 drum samples, 150 effect samples, 200 serum presets and 30 MIDI chord progressions. If you want to make emotional future bass like Illenium, Nurko or Griffin, this pack is perfect for you. Let's check out the final result.
Wanna love you for a lifetime. Wanna hold you for a lifetime. Promise me forever, say we'll be together now until eternity. I'll be there for you. Wanna love you for a lifetime, for a lifetime.
Guys, thank you for watching. I love you.